What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am showing my face. I'm going to show my face a lot on my channel. But today is a special video because I got the XK Airbus A380. On it says Air Car, but it's really Airbus. So we're going to be unboxing this. And if I keep hitting my screen, it's because the screen is kind of broken and it sometimes goes off. But we're going to be unboxing this and building it, so let's get started. Just open this up. We gotta get this foam out. Alright. So, show it to you guys once I get it out. Set the box down there. Alright, here is the contents of the box. So this one is the ready to fly. So that means you just set it up quickly and you're able to fly it. So you can see the wings are detached and they are detachable once you put them on. So that's good. As you can see, I can get it out. Here is the fuselage. It has a good design. The windshield might be a bit far up, but it looks pretty nice. It's nice and smooth. This is nice and straight, but there is no rudder on it, but there is elevators on the back, and it has servos in it, so that's good. There's the servo in there. Alright, so we're going to assemble this. First, here is the controller. Alright, here's the controller. I think it's pretty simple. Throttle, left and right, up and down. And this is on and off. That. And then back here, since it doesn't have a rudder, you can press this button, which will give it yaw ability, which is like turning, if you take the plane, you turn it like that. That would be what the rudder does. This is what the turning is, but yaw is that. So that, if you press that button, it will initiate that. This also has a gyro in it, which means it levels automatically, which is good for non-experienced flyers. Here are the wings, and they even added the detail of the stress from the engines on it. And these wings are strong, like really strong. So they have some nice detail on it. And yeah. Alright, let's get out the other stuff, like the screws and stuff we need, and the battery. And it's all in this little box. Alright, so in here we have screwdriver. It looks like extra propellers and the landing gear in there. And extra, yeah. And then over here, we have the battery and the charger that comes with. And that was all in that box. And it doesn't come with a manual for some reason, unless I left that in the box. Oh, yeah, I did. Alright. Here's the manual. Most of it's in, some of it's in Japanese and Chinese because this company is probably from over there. So we're just going to put this together now. Let me open this up. Find the Alright, here's is the setup. So first we put on the landing gear onto the wing and the fuselage. The front gear goes right in this slot. And then the wings have the back gears, which go back here. This is the transmitter, which is in a bit of an awkward place. That's fine, we can make it work. So let's get out our landing gear, which is in this little baggie. All we're doing is the back ones right now, I think. That's what the manual that's what it said in the manual. Yes, only the back ones. Yes, so put on the back ones first, which go on the bottom of the wings, right back here in these slots. So let's take the wing, just flip it over. And these, with this company, the landing gears seem to go in pretty easily, but not come out very easily, which is good because that means they won't snap off. So we're just going to insert this, just like so. And there you go, you have yourself a nice secure landing gear. Now we need the second one, which will go over here, of course. Let's put this in, slide it down, and boom. Now you have your landing gear. Now next we shall, alright, now we have to attach the wire and put the wing on. And then after that we do the front landing gear. So this wire is for the propellers. It's pretty obvious. So we just take this, take the fuselage, and connect it. Actually, no, it's for the servos and the propeller. So we just take this, put the wire in, and now this next part might be a bit tricky with, maybe not. Now that actually goes on quite nicely. With my other plane, the bigger one I have, it was way harder. Actually, maybe I was wrong. Nope, I was wrong. It is a bit tricky. It's just this wire that makes it a bit more difficult. Alright. Put that in. Alright, now, where'd that little baggie go? It's fine. We need this bag because in this bag has a screw that you have to use to attach the wings when the plane fell, which is fine. It's, like I said, it's pretty durable, but a little fall's not going to do anything. We just need to put the wing back on. Crap. Drop the screw. And let the screw go. It's fine, I have extra screws if I don't find it. Seriously though, that's weird. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys once I find this screw. I'm gonna cut. Alright guys, I found the screw, thankfully. So, I'm just gonna keep this safe spot for now. That was bad of me. Do as I say, not as I do. Yep, that's aligned. Alright, take two. So, tape. Oh, also on the wires, there's tape, so you don't need to do that if you wanted to. So, you can see that. Alright, now we take the screwdriver that came with it, which does not seem to be magnetic. Alright, you just put the screw into that little hole in the front, and then you just screw that on. Gotta get it nice and secure. Alright, now the screw is in. Alright, so now the plane is almost fully assembled. We just need to put on the front landing gear, which is right down here. Right here. Then put this. I don't think it really matters which way you turn it. So I'm gonna put this in like that. Just like the other ones, you just slide that in. Now, you might notice these landing gears aren't the best looking, but try not to pay attention to that while it's flying. It's still a nice plane. I had one before, but I crashed it, unfortunately. I had a different model, but... Alright, and then the battery and the charger I will show to you now, I guess, since I have a thing right here. Or not, that's the wrong type. But here, I'll just showcase it to you without actually plugging it in. Alright, so here, it's just a normal USB cord. You plug into your wall or an outlet you have. So, you take this cord, slide this end into this hole right here. Alright, and now this is plugged in, and as you can see, this can charge 2 batteries, but it only comes with one. So, I dropped it. I keep dropping everything. But you see, you take this battery, just plug it into the port, and then if this is turned on, this red light will tell you if it's charging or if it's done charging. And yeah, that is the XK Airbus A380 through 120, through A120, and it is a 3-channel, which means it has servos and flaps. Well, not flaps, but it has servos, and it comes with this controller. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this, my next video will be me showcasing this flying, which will probably not be for a few days. Or maybe it'll come tonight. I don't know if I can go down by myself and my dad lets me. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah. So all of you have a good day, and bye.